What's up, everyone? I got this Arctic Cat 2012 550 EFI, and I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it. If anybody knows, let me know. So I'll go ahead and show exactly what's wrong with it. But anyway, so when I turn on to the on position, you can't hear the fuel pump. Usually the fuel pump makes that noise, like this one does. So this one is 2016, and the one that's not working is that 2012 there. So when I turn this one onto the on position, you can hear that noise. I'm guessing that's the EFI fuel injection, fuel pump, or sending fuel. But basically, you can hear it again. I'll show you. I'll turn it off. I'll do it again. There you go. So that one over there doesn't do that. So this one used to do it, but now it doesn't. As I turn it on, nothing happens. Winch doesn't work. So I got it strapped up. I don't know if that's one of the issues of it, but it used to do something like that, but I could still hear the winch, but it wasn't going up and down. This one's just making like a clicking noise right now. Salter works. Vibrator works. So we got power, we got lights. Oh, and then that's the next one right there. So we get the EFI sound, sound. The EFI, what's it called? Error code is what you want to call it. Let me turn off this light here. So it blinks EFI, and after it will go to the main screen, kind of with the fuel and everything, and the speedometer, and it'll still say EFI right there. So that is what's happening right now. Can't start. Checked everything, every way. 4x4 works. Just can't get it started. So if anybody knows, please hit some comments, and hopefully I get some soon, as I got to get this guy ready for the winter. So we had it working already 2 times, 3 times, 2 times this year already. So it was working. But if I got to send the other one that's out there, and that's it. So if anybody knows what could be wrong with it, please let me know while I do some more research. Thank you.